I can't reach my back in the dead center, and this is a back scratcher. Now let's open it up and show you what you get inside and what you can use it for. Laid out on the table is everything you need for a back scratcher. You have your telescopic handle and a paw-like scratcher. That is neat. And you got one that looks like a rake. Look at that. And of course you got one that looks like a shower head or a little brush type style, and two sides to it. They come in different colors, so check online for further detail about the product. Now, you can see how far this thing opens up. Man, this really pulls out about 24 inches or so. It's got a rubber handle, and it's very simple to attach apart. You simply align the screw, and you just simply rotate on. Don't overly tighten things. They will go on nice and comfortable. And there you go. You don't want it that long open, you can make it shorter. Clothing or not, all depends on you. How far you want to go in your back. You can shorten the handle up and go this particular way. Now if you want to just massage and get something where you can't reach your toes, your ankles, your arms, whatever. Now if you got a pet, an animal, you could also use this for that for a little bit of massaging. And we're going to change the part because I do have an itch and I want to get on the rake. The rake is a little harder. Yes indeed. And here we go. Spin the rake on. Yes indeed. We're going to scratch our back. Oh yeah, it grabs that itch perfectly that I can't get right there. Look at that bad boy go, man. Oh wow. This is a great gift for anybody. A father, a mother, a wife, a dad, a child, a friend, a co-worker, a neighbor, you name it. It even has a little bear claw. Look how neat that is. Hey, you need a back scratcher? Here you go. I'll give you a bear claw. Oh yeah. Now get underneath your skin and you can scratch indeed all day long. I hope this novelty gift may be right for you. Something that you need to reach that spot. A back scratcher, a 3-in-1. Don't forget, when you're all done, you could simply just put in this velvet bag. All 3 pieces, yes indeed. It fits there nice and comfortable. And off you go. Travel, take it with you in case you need to have a back scratch. I hope this product may be right for you.